Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a form in Asana. So first we're going to log into our Asana website. Then next we're going to click on workflow found at the top right corner. Then as you can see there's the form section, we're going to click on it. Again we're going to click on add. So you guys could edit this form as much as you want. So you guys could add a description. Then you guys can make that description bold or underline it. There are different options there. Then you guys could add a name, insert the name you want, make it required or not. You guys could add a heading. So you guys could also change the heading to upwards or downwards. Same with email address. As you can see, you can move it up. Then you can also add other attachments. So you guys could select that from the questions list. Then you guys could also make a new question, depending on what you want. Then you guys could go to the settings, select different form settings, selection settings. You guys could also add a cover image. Then once you guys are done, you're going to click on publish. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I have to see you again. Goodbye.